Well, we've got a triple treat in store for you today. I'm going to make 3 of my most deluxe grilled cheese sandwiches. Oh man, you're gonna love what we do to bread and cheese. It's gonna be so good. Hey, you wanna subscribe and you also wanna hit us in a comment. Let me know what your favorite grilled cheese combination is, okay? Maybe we can share some good ideas, and definitely hit that like button. And as always, I'm gonna put the recipes right down there in the directions so you can check them out. So man, we're gonna grill some cheese today. You're gonna love it. Hey, I'm Chef Don McMillan, so let's get started. Well, my first grilled cheese sandwich is going to be hard salami and provolone cheese, and I'm putting it on, oh my goodness, sourdough bread. I love sourdough bread because it's got that nice crack crunch to it, and we love a grilled cheese sandwich that is crunchy. And of course, you got to put butter. So we're going to hit it with the butter right now. A nice generous amount of butter on there, because it's going to fry the bread and cook it up and give it such a beautiful color and a beautiful taste, okay? So hit that butter on there. When you make a grilled cheese sandwich, avoid those butter spreads. They have water in them. So instead of having a crunchy grilled cheese, you're gonna have a soggy grilled cheese. You don't want soggy grilled cheese, okay? You want a crunchy one, so you don't need those I can't believe it's not something or other, right? You want it to be butter, B-U-T-T-E-R, okay? Hit it on there. Yes, yes, yes. All right, you see I'm being generous. I'm getting a commission from the dairy people, okay? Good. Now, while our bread is toasting, we're gonna melt our cheese. Look, here's how we do it. We place the cheese right there on the bread. And so we're toasting each side, and then we're going to combine them to make them happy, including some hard salami. Just put some thinly sliced hard salami. Just cover each one of those circles of provolone. And it's okay for the cheese to come on the outside of the bread. You want it to. You want it to just come out and melt and be so ooey gooey delicious, okay? You gotta do it. All right, now we're gonna use our spatula. Keep an eye on it. We definitely don't want to burn it, but we want it to be nice and brown. Look at that. Yep, it's still got a little more to go. We're good. We're good. Let it heat up a little bit. Okay, I just peeked and they're beautifully toasted. Okay, so here comes a little bit of an acrobatic act, but we're gonna put the breads together and then just flip them over. Yes. Oh my goodness. Ha ha. Okay, now I know you think I'm a little bit obsessive here, but look what I'm doing. You thought we had enough butter on there? No, we didn't. Give it another little butter here. I'm gonna flip it. Check this out. Flip it. Ta-da! Whoa, look at that! Oh my goodness. A little more butter on top. Hey. I told you I'm getting a commission from the butter people, you know. They're gonna give me a room and board up in Wisconsin. All right, now, we flip it one more time. I want to melt that butter on the other side. Look at that. Oh, man. Oh. Let's put that on the board. And let's just cut it and see what it looks like. And, of course, I want to hear what it sounds like. Did you hear that? Oh, look. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. But we're not finished, folks. We are not finished because we got 2 more exciting sandwiches to hit you with. Let's just put off the side because I don't want people shooting this, eat it. On this particular one, I'm going to put the cheese on the inside, and guess what? On the outside. Yeah, I did. I said that. We're going to have cheese on the inside, and we're going to have cheese on the outside. More butter. Butter. Get it on there. Put this one down, and same thing over here. More butter. I like to use more of that bread that has a lot of body to it, okay? Because that is going to give it even more of a wonderful crunch and effect. And now I'm using American cheese. You can use yellow American, white American, you decide. And if it overlaps, that's cool. You want it to overlap. You want it to have all that cheese just melting out the side of it, just oozing and oozing and oozing. Okay, I got an extra slice. I was going to eat it, but hell, I'll just put it in the sandwich. Let it go at that. Now we're going to let that melt a little bit, and then you're going to see what we're going to do next. All right, here we go. We're going to flip this one. Look at all that cheese. Oh my goodness. All right, now, just like I did before, some more butter. Oh, you hear that crunch when I'm putting that butter on there? Yes. You want to hear that crunch. And that cheese, ooh, that's the part of the cheese you like the best when it hits the bottom of the pan. But now, check this out. In just a second, I'm going to show you what we're going to do. We're going to have the crowning finish on this sandwich because we're going to take some cheddar cheese. And I got cheese on the inside, cheese on the outside. It's going to melt. It's going to stick. It's going to be so good. All right. Uno, dos, tres. Hey, what's good for one side is good for the other. Tell me you don't like cheese. You wouldn't even be watching this if you did, would you? All right, let's flip it before it melts too much. Whoa, look at that. Ah, cheesy grilled cheese sandwich. Now, I'm going to give it just a second on that side. I want that other cheese to get happy, melt a little bit, stick to the bread, and on the cutting board it goes. Let's see if we can hit a little crunch on this baby too. Ready? Whoa, look at that. Look at this. Oh, cheese heaven. All right, here's our final sandwich. Check this out. French bread, but I cut it really long, see? And I'm gonna put some butter on the French bread. Put some butter, put some butter, put some butter. Yes, get it on there. And let's do the other side as well. Put some butter on that one. Butter it up really good. Put it in your frying pan. I like to use non-stick frying pans if you can. Okay, let me turn the temperature down. I don't want it to burn. And of course, French bread, French cheese. And what better French cheese than brie? Oh my goodness. Ooh la la. French cheese coming up. Yes, 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 yes. Get it on there. Ah, man. I'm just going to give it a little bit of a push. And I left the rind on. Of course, if you wish, you could take it off, but then you're probably not a French cheese lover anyway, okay? Because the French just love theirs with the rind, and the more aged it is, the better it is. Okay, but hey, we're going to do a little prosciutto. That's right, prosciutto. I think I said it right. It's a little Italian and French combo here. Nicely thin sliced prosciutto. Place it on there. Oh man, look, look, look. This is so good. It's tempting to eat before it's even done, I'll tell you that. But look, nicely, thinly sliced. Let's take a look at it now. Be sure that our bread is not burning. Okay, ready? Whoa! Check it out, check it out, check it out. Push it down. Make them happy. Make that cheese melt. More butter, more butter. The butter, the better. Flip it. 1, 2, 3. Or I should say un, deux, trois. That makes it more sense, doesn't it? It's French. Look, 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 look. Oh, wow, weak. Yeah, go on. Get in the pan. All right, we're getting ready to flip this again to get the other side nice and buttery, crunchy. Yes, sir, indeed. Look, look at that. Well, 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 well. Is that not an invention and a half? All right, come out of the pan onto our platter. And let's see if we can get a little bit of a nice crunch. I'm gonna cut this into thirds though, right? Look at that. Yes. Okay. You've seen it with your own eyes. Well, look at this. We did it. This is our 3 deluxe grilled cheese sandwiches. Perfect for a late night grilled cheese snack. Oh man. And it's perfect anytime. Got some tomato soup, might even be good, but hey, these are original grilled cheese sandwiches, party foods, feel-good foods, all wonderful. Hey, be sure you subscribe. It's so important because we got so many more wonderful recipes to share with you. And also, tell us what you think about it. Hit the comment button, hit the like button. And also, remember, you can always get these recipes. And every time we do this show, we always keep it simple and delicious.